This is a fantastic drill if you feel like when you deadlift, maybe you shift a little bit to one side or favor one side, or you have other kind of abnormalities going on. So here's what you want to do. What we're trying to do is create maximum hip stability on both sides, and we're trying to create lots of glute engagement through the entire movement. A lot of times when you shift to one side, the side that you shift away from, it's just not fully kind of committed and engaged in that exercise. So we want to force it to do its full job. So what you're going to do is you're just going to start standing up normally, squeeze your bum, squeeze your abs, get into a really strong kind of start and finish position. And then you're going to just push your hips back as far as you can while feeling some tension in your butt. So it's going to be kind of a subtle thing. And you want to remember, when you're standing up at the top, your glutes have the absolute best leverage. That's where they're going to feel the most engaged. But they should still feel a little bit engaged as you go back versus all of a sudden kind of completely relaxed or like you don't really feel anything going on. So all you're going to do is to start progressing this is you're going to go as far back as you can while you still feel that engagement. Pause for a second and come back up. As you get better and better at this over time, you're going to be able to go further and further to where you can go all the way down, keeping your weight even on both legs, keeping that engagement even on both legs, and on the way up, pulling with both legs the same. That is the key. We want to stay nice and square, keep that engagement, and pull through evenly. Once you can do that, the next way to progress that is adding a little bit of weight. So you can grab, kettlebell, dumbbell, barbell, whatever. I just happen to have this handy, and you're going to do the exact same thing. I'm trying to keep that engagement, trying to keep my hips nice and square, and use both sides evenly. With this type of a drill, you want to do lots of repetitions. So we're thinking maybe 10 to 15 repetitions before taking a break. Or if you can't quite do that many without losing your engagement, start at a lower number and then build up to where you can do 10 to 15. And then you can just play around with the weight as you go. You can also take this lesson and apply it to a single leg exercise for a little bit more of a challenge, especially if you know you have a weaker side that needs a little bit extra work. So what you're going to do is the same exact idea in a single leg Romanian deadlift. Again, I'm going to start by squeezing my abs and my bum, locking everything in tight, and maintaining that as I sit back. Again, I need to feel some engagement there all the way through. Trying to keep my body nice and square and not tip or rotate to the side. Same thing, you want to be able to do 10, 15 reps like that per side, making sure everything looks fantastic before you start adding weight and progressing that further.